What's up guys, Dave from MRT here. Today we're going to be installing the no drill MRT hood struts for the Focus ST. Alright, included in your kit, you'll have 2 hood brackets, 2 fender brackets, and 2 strut cylinders. All hardware will be reused from the factory. Then to do the job, we'll need one 10mm deep well socket. I prefer 3/8. Maintain alignment as you're tightening. You want this side to be flush. For this kit, by the way, they are not specific to left or right side, just specific to hood or fender. There we go. So easy a sales guy could do it. Start on the hood bracket now. These are directional. They should be put on each side so that when you're looking at the vehicle, MRT is right side up. So this side would be the driver. Takes a little bit to work it on here. There we go. And then to rotate this,